And amidst the carnage on the nation's roads, Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson is urging road users to exercise caution. The police have reported 6 fatal crashes in Jamaica over the last 36 hours. The crashes occurred in Kingston and St. Andrew, St. Anne and St. Catherine. The age of those who died ranged from 15 to 65 years.
Do not drink and drive. Get a designated driver to take you home if you intend to drink. Also be courteous and patient with other road users. Where you see the police directing traffic, asking you to do things and just comply with them. They're trying to make everybody safe. Don't speed.
The Commissioner addressed the issue while on a tour of police divisions across the corporate area.
Gave us an opportunity to have a chat with them. The station commander was there, showed us around, and also to leave a few little goodies for them on Christmas Day. It's an important thing that the leadership is out today on Christmas Day, because we have officers on duty, and once they're on, we're on as well.